Let's talk shop. And when I say shop, I mean any workplace, from a factory floor to a construction site to a restaurant kitchen. We've all seen places that are disorganized and chaotic, tools scattered everywhere, materials piled haphazardly, and let's not even get started on the dirt and grime. It's a recipe for inefficiency, frustration, and even accidents. But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful system that can transform your workplace from a chaotic mess into a well-oiled machine? Enter 5S: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Don't let the simplicity fool you. These 5 steps, when embraced and implemented consistently, can significantly boost productivity, improve safety, and even boost morale. Think of 5S as a spring cleaning for your workplace. But instead of just tidying up once, it's about creating a sustainable system that keeps things clean, organized, and efficient day in and day out. And trust me, a little organization goes a long way. Let's get down to brass tacks with a real-world example. Imagine you're running a busy auto repair shop. You've got cars coming in left and right, mechanics hustling to get jobs done, and tools and parts everywhere. It's easy to let things get out of hand. Now let's apply the 5S system. First things first, we gotta declutter. Get rid of any unnecessary tools, parts, or equipment. If it's broken, fix it or ditch it. If you haven't used it in 6 months, it's probably time to say goodbye. Now that you've cleared the clutter, it's time to organize what's left. Everything needs a designated place. Wrenches on a pegboard, sockets in a drawer, and parts clearly labeled on shelves. The goal is to be able to find what you need when you need it without wasting time searching. Time to break out the cleaning supplies. A clean shop is a safe and efficient shop. Wipe down surfaces, sweep the floors, and make sure all your tools and equipment are sparkling clean. This isn't just about appearances, it's about taking pride in your work and creating a safer, more pleasant environment. Now that you've sorted, set in order, and shined, it's time to create consistent procedures. This means establishing clear guidelines for everything from tool storage to cleaning schedules. The goal is to make sure everyone in the shop is on the same page and following the same system. The final, and arguably most important step, is to make 5S a habit. This requires ongoing effort and commitment from everyone in the shop. Regularly review your procedures, make adjustments as needed, and never stop looking for ways to improve. So how does all this cleaning and organizing translate into a more efficient operation? Well, for starters, it eliminates wasted time searching for tools and parts. When everything has its place, mechanics can get right to work, which means faster turnaround times and happier customers. A clean and organized shop also reduces the risk of accidents. Tripping hazards are eliminated, tools are less likely to be misplaced, and a well-lit and clutter-free environment just naturally promotes safety. And let's not forget about the boost in morale. A clean and organized workplace can do wonders for employee satisfaction and pride in their work. The 5S methodology may seem like common sense, but you'd be surprised how often it's overlooked. The key is to remember that it's not just about cleaning up, it's about creating a culture of continuous improvement. It's about working smarter, not harder, and creating a safer, more efficient, and more productive workplace for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and get your 5S on.